Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor and the faculty vacancies notification from the three government universities. So to get my regular updates, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in this group, guys. And now we will see the details regarding this notification from the three government colleges or the universities. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. And now while coming to the present content of the video, out of the three universities, the first one we will see the Jamia Millia Islamia and the recruitment of assistant professor on contractual basis. So you may check down the application forms may be submitted in the concerned department latest by 5th Feb 2021. So in the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, the Department of Electronics and Communication, 2 assistant professor contractual based vacancies are there, and you may check down here the salary is 67,000 rupees per month, and the qualification required BE or BTech and ME or MTech. So UGC NET qualification is not required for the electronics and communication engineering. And coming to the Faculty of Humanities and Sciences, the Department of Hindi, 1 assistant professor contractual to teach the Hindu religious studies, and the qualification required for this humanities and language is that master's degree with 55% of marks, and UGC NET or CSIR NET qualification must be there. Okay, so and there is no application fee, guys, and the department will screen the application of the candidates and will call for the interview accordingly. So there is no written test also, no application fee, no written test. Based upon your qualification and experience, they will directly call you for the interview. And if you selected, you are going to get the 67,000 rupees per month. It is a very good opportunity to the electronics candidates, guys. Why? Because we are getting in electronics candidates are going to get very rare opportunities. Okay, so please utilize this one. And the candidates may download the detailed advertisement along with the qualifications and application from the university website and send it with complete in all respect to the concerned department on or before 5th Feb 2021. Okay, so these are the details. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video for your reference purpose. And the next second university is the government university, is Northeastern Hill University, Department of Geology. This notification came on 27th Jan 2021. So application along with the biodata mentioning telephone number and email address is invited for the post of guest faculty, 3 positions in the Department of Geology, and the interested candidates may send their biodata latest by 3rd Feb 2021 addressed to the head Department of Geology, Northeastern Hill University by post or online through email. Here the email ID is also provided here, and the 3 vacancies are there, and the qualification you may check master's degree with NET qualification. So however, candidates having the PhD or evidence of active research or teaching experience in concerned department will be given the preference. The desirable specializations are also given here, so you may check down. The interview is scheduled on 5th Feb 2021 from morning 11 o'clock onwards in the Department of Geology, and the candidates must appear the interview with all original documents, testimonials, and the reprints, etc. at the time of interview. Okay, so this PDF also I will link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down. And coming to the third one is Dibrugarh University. So you may check down a walk-in interview on 10th Feb 2021 at the morning 10:30 in the conference hall of this university campus itself. Only one post is there, that is assistant professor on contract basis in the Department of Economics, and the qualification required is 55% in the economics, okay, PG with NET, SET or the PhD. Okay, and here the salary is 25,000 rupees per month. It is a consolidated. The candidates who are interested to appear for the interview They have to bring the copies of biodata, attested copies of all testimonials and experience certificate. Okay, if any, along with the original certificates of qualification for verification. And here the registration fee is there, that is the 200 rupees. The TADA will not be provided. Fine. So total these are the 3 universities, guys. If you are not belongs to these departments, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments, whatever I shown you right now. So one is economics from the Dibrugarh University, and the second one is electronics and communication and Hindi from the Jamia Millia Islamia University, and second one is geology from the Northeastern Hill University. So all the 3 universities are government universities, guys. It is a very good opportunity to the candidates. Fine. And for more updates, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UG Senate candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.